Most believe men's sexual performance issues need medication like Viagra, but a natural, homemade remedy can be just as effective. To make homemade Viagra, use freshly squeezed lemon juice and watermelon. Start by cutting the watermelon into small pieces. Blend the watermelon pieces until you have about a liter of juice. Pour the juice into a pot and boil for several minutes. While boiling, add freshly squeezed lemon juice. Continue boiling the mixture until it reduces to half its original volume. Remove the pot from heat and let the mixture cool for about an hour. Once cooled, pour the juice into a clean glass bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Watermelon contains lycopene and citrulline, natural aphrodisiacs that boost sexual performance. This homemade remedy is a potent solution. Consume in moderation, limiting sugar and salt intake. Start with 2 tablespoons to 1/3 cup, preferably on an empty stomach. Both men and women can benefit. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.